pretty lazy with my own YouTube channel. Haven't posted my own videos yet, so I'm definitely going to start working on that more, but it's an honor to be here, especially since Saul's a very creative mind, and he put this all together, and
how do you plan on winning this war for the Lego set?
well, I mean, I came a little over-prepared, got a bunch of stuff. I feel like I'm good to go, though, I do have some major competition.
Very frightening.
I take that back. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, this is why I'm in that Lego set, so rub it in my brother's face.
Okay, yes, you're very competitive. This is his brother right here on the swing. You just saw him. Anyways, what is your name?
Lucas.
Okay. Are you prepared?
Yes.
How do you plan on winning this thing?
Shoot everybody and let them die. And
Perfect. Okay, thank you for your time.
hello, I'm Aiden. And once my grandma told me to put this on like this, and I put it on like this, and
Now you're Aladdin. Got it. How do you plan on winning this war?
eating my lemonade.
Very responsible. Is that all you have to say?
No,
What else would you like to say, dude?
I'm in 4th grade and I made one of his videos and I gave him the prize.
Okay. Thank you for your time.
Number one.
Whoa.
Hello, I'm the SCP-173 on YouTube. My name is Mason and hashtag Facebook.
Okay then. How do you plan on winning this war?
Suit everyone.
Okay. Is that all you have to say?
Yes.
Thank you for your time.
I'll make them suffer.
You each have 3 lives. Red team versus blue team. Red team, are you ready? Blue team, are you ready? Okay, begin. 3, 2, 1. Oh, Aiden's making a bold move, but he's being very not cautious with his 3 lives. Nathan, on the other hand, is being really cautious, hiding behind the tent.
Is that video gonna seem a little weird, brown and stuff?
Don't question it.
Don't question my life. Just terrible.
Oh, Nathan was almost hit. Oh, Nathan's loading his gun. He's loading his gun. He's still loading his gun.
Stop it.
No.
It's extremely awkward for SCP.
And Nathan is ready. He's going into battle. Looks like he set down his other gun. No one has lost a life yet. It's very exhilarating. It's only been 1 minute and 30 seconds. Oh, Lucas is playing it smart. He's sneaking around the corner. Oh, hit no one though. Oh, Nathan narrowly dodges a bullet. I don't know if you saw that. Woo! Mason goes behind the bushes. Oh, Lucas is being a secret spy. Do it, do 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 do. Da 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 da. Cop, I'm a copyright. Do 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 do.
Copyright.
No one has gotten hit yet. Not surprising. It's only been 2 minutes.
Wait, I gotta load this thing. This is really hard to load.
Lucas is showing no mercy.
I hit you, Lucas. Aiden, cover me. Oh,
I hit Aiden.
Oh, Aiden lost 1 life.
I hit Aiden.
He's down to 2.
Wait, who then? Am I the only one at 2? No, Aiden.
Oh, Lucas and Aiden are at 2 lives. Luke, he's a bad guy. Do 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 do.
Let's go! Oh, you did!
No, from the ref, Aiden has not been hit. That's why I'm out here.
Mason's down, Mason's down!
Oh, 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 oh! Just narrowly avoided.
I know you're back there. There's a hornet's nest back there.
How do you know?
Mason went back there.
Where are my nerves?
Ah!
He's looking down the barrel of his gun.
But I almost hit him.
Oh, we've got some more exhilarating chase scenes. Wow. Nathan has been hit once.
Let's go!
I told you I came prepared, so.
Mason's the only one with... Whoa.
Yes! No, I hit.
Mason's the only one with 3 lives.
I hit him.
No. Dang it!
Okay, Aiden's down to 1 life. Mason's down to 2. Oh, Aiden's out. Aiden, fall on the ground and drop your weapon. It could be the end.
Mason, we gotta charge it! I have no homo.
It could be the end for Billy Eye Joe.
I'm dead. Bring it up.
Yeah, you can move out of the way and pick up your glasses.
Mason's at 2 now.
No, Mason's at 1.
Yeah, I hit him.
Mason's at 1.
Yeah, I hit him from the back.
Aim for Mason, dude. He's at 1.
Wait for the inside.
I'm at 2. Mason's at 2.
Do you think best out of 3?
Nope.
Why? Can we play again just for fun after this?
I won't record it.
I don't care.
No, I said you're terrible. Thank you.
Wait, if Nathan wins this, then I go against him.
That hit Mason. No.
So,
That hit Mason. Ah, yeah.
I'm out.
He has 1.
Mason is down. Now pick up your glasses and go inside the canopy.
This is Lucas' house. 2.
And you have 2?
No, he has 1.
Oh no.
Nathan.
He better run, outrun his gun. All the other Nathans with their pumped up kicks better run, outrun Lucas. Lucas?
Let's go, Nathan! Let's go, Nathan! Let's go, Nathan!
Nathus? Nathus?
Let's go, Nathan! Let's go, Lucas! Nathan, come on! Lucas! No!
Oh, 1 life each! Everybody, it's time for sudden death! Oh, wait! Oh! Say, but it doesn't count because it's time for sudden death. Yep. Now you go to that side. You go to that side. You each have 1 life.
Lucas, you got this! Nathan, you got this! You got this, Lucas! Nathan!
It was a good victory, but it didn't count because it's time for sudden death.
Lucas!
You each have 1 life. Starting now.
Look. Times 1,000.
You didn't even say it. You didn't say it once.
Oh.
That hit my gun! Hey, that hit my gun, and I was out.
Come on, Nathan.
Come on, Lucas! Lucas! There's no ammo! Quick!
You're allowed to shield with your gun in sudden death only.
What
Nathan!
Shoot him now, even if it didn't.
Nope.
Okay. Pick blue team.
Son, I have a problem. It hit my gun and you said I was out.
That was it, but you weren't in sudden death.
Yeah. So gun hits only count in sudden death, and that's why you safety goggles, even though you chose not to wear them.
It didn't hit my eyes, though.
Yes, but even headshot counts. Okay, this is it for your behind the scenes. What do you have to say, blue team? Do you have any regrets?
Yes. So Nathan is a cheater. Nathan.
You both fought well.
I have a regret.
Oh, even though accused of being a cheater, he shows good sportsmanship.
I got this.
Can I say something I regret? Either way, we get the Lego.
I regret getting out early and not eating lemonade.
Okay.
I don't understand Lucas's anger. We live in the same house, and we're gonna end up building a Lego set together anyway.
No, he never Cut builds this a part Lego out with me.
I'm willing to share. He fought well. To be honest, I
Oh.
feel like he deserved it. His
Alright,
gun,
don't
his
cut
gun,
this out.
his
Don't
gun
cut
was
this
his
out.
only weakness.
Oh, and by the
One
way,
dart.
the Lego set is free in one, so even if you live in the same house, you can build different creations with the same set.
Oh, wow.
No, you can only build one at once.
Well, yeah, but then
but
you can take it apart.
And that's it for your daily insight. Well, it's not daily.
sorry.
You thought you had the better cover. You lost. How do you feel about that?
I felt great. Because I was in the top 2.
Okay, Mason, how do you feel about that?
I'm about to sue Nathan.
Okay.
Who's actually got darts, Mason?
Oh! Okay, that's the end of your insight. On this side, also part of the winning team of the last round. And we have Aiden on this side, also part of the winning team. And
My brethren, I wear thy glue.
begin!
Oh, God. Bring it, I dare you.
Oh, by the way, you both have 5 lives. Mhm.
No, don't.
Both of you aren't hitting each other.
This is like the worst gun to choose.
I should play Mission Impossible music right here, like my own cover of it. No, it goes. Do 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 do.
You can copyright strike at me. I'm suing you.
You know I can dub this.
What?
Never mind.
That was Lucas.
Back in the tent.
Put the gun down, man.
Oh. No. I'm holding it backwards. No. Achoo. Let's take it.
Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh.
There's a lot riding on this for you two.
Yeah, I know that. I'm saying hand me.
And
Watch the pressure. Come on, Nathan. Come on, Nathan. 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 Pressure. Pressure. I'm cheering for Nathan. I'm cheering for I'm cheering for Nathan.
Bless you! Ooh, did that hit your foot? Okay, Nathan has lost one life. But he has 4 remaining. So you can't really complain. Since we both... Aiden is also down to 4 lives. It's 4 lives each.
Come on, Nathan, get Aiden.
Nathan, Aiden. Oh, no, that doesn't count. I will disqualify you from the loser round.
Yes. Okay, I got rid of the dog. That guy's wearing a Spider-Man.
They're both ready. Just run up to him and get him.
Don't tell me what to do, so.
Nathan, run up.
Oh, Aiden's ready.
Nathan. You can do this, Nathan. Get rid of Aiden. Neither of them will win. Because if you and Aiden might if I beat if I beat Nathan,
Okay, Aiden has